I have 5 set of skills to do spec based agent driven development, and the skills are called add, brainstorm, code, deliver and explore. Every decision that needs to be taken is taken beforehand and captured as part of a spec file. This beats any surprises of agent taking unwanted directions, and we follow multi-step workflow so that a different aspect of building an application is taken care by the agent. You can capture a spec file by invoking /add-todo. You can sharpen it to clear any questions or gaps in that using /brainstorm-todo. Okay, then next one is /code-todo, in which like you will have the agent checking the spec, and based on that it will check whether unit test, integration test, E2Es, what is applicable, what needs to be run, what needs to be updated, what needs to be created. It will also maintain feature documentation. Any changes that the agent is doing, it will make sure that the documentation for that is either created or updated. Diagrams also will be captured as architecture diagram, sequence diagram, flowcharts. API spec collection will have .http files within the code repo. You will have a review server which is hosted for you. PRs will have screenshots attached. You have different scopes that you can have within a PR. One PR can have one to do, multiple to do. One PR could be split into stack to dos, and nothing can be pushed without creating a PR. Next is deliver to do, which is more like a go ahead for the agent that you have reviewed the PR, and it can clean up the worktree, the branches, make sure it scans for tech debt that has come out of this changes, do the git tagging. And next is explore to do's. It is to scan the backlog for picking the next item. code-todo will start implementation of those spec file under a worktree, and the changes will be merged back using deliver-to-do into the develop branch. Here is a simulated walkthrough of the workflow. You invoke add-to-do, give it some context, it will create a to-do file with a status. If that status needs discussion, you can invoke brainstorm-to-do on that. It will ask you some questions. You can answer that, it will be captured, and the status will be marked as ready. And then you can pick a spec file and invoke code-todo, and it will prompt you the suggested changes. Once you give it a go ahead, it will start the implementation, and once everything is done, a PR will be created, and then you can review that PR separately. Once that is done, it will merge the changes and do the cleanup. And if a tech debt PR is applicable, it will create that as well. And the last skill is explore to do, to pick the next item.